Hi guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? I'm in the post office, okay? And I've got leads, okay? Check it out. It's 3,000 leads right there. Everybody that joins with me in 30-day success formula, coming in at level 2, you get 200 leads, okay? Come in the higher levels, you get more leads, okay? So that is my deal, joining my team, the Mail Order Freedom Team. As you can see right here, guess what? I got some postcards. Okay, I've created a couple postcard templates I'm going to use for the 30-day success formula, as you can see right here. Okay, and I've got 2 rolls of stamps, so I'm going to mail 200 out. Okay. We got my leads that came in. We got more on the way, okay? So again, join my team in the 30-day success formula. I give you leads. This is an awesome opportunity. 90-day money-back guarantee the company gives you. It's a 4-year proven company, okay? They've been around for 4 years. This has been working offline like a charm, okay? And they're going to mail 200 letters on your behalf, guys, so you have nothing to lose. Come in as low as $89, high as $12,500. So you can make commissions from $30 to $6,000, okay? And we get paid in the mail, all right? So 30-day success formula, check it out. I'm going to put the link below. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. And go to the link below, okay? Easy mailbox income, okay? And we've got an awesome Facebook group, the Mail Order Freedom Team. So you definitely want to be a part of what we have to offer. All right, guys? And I will see you on the next one. You guys have a blessed day.